Virgos, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energies starting from 11th till 17th of October. In this video I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. So let's see what is there for my Virgos. To book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Okay. Virgos, 11th till 17th of October. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Virgos, 11th till 17th of October. Virgos. Okay, so at the back of the deck we have the Five of Cups in reverse. Okay. So your overall energy is seeming to be like, you are at a place where you are going away from the emotions. You do not want to be emotional, but what exactly you have to do is you have to show, but you are not feeling it. You are at that place. You are showing the other person or in that situation that okay, things are fine, okay, do not worry, but from within you are not feeling the same things what you are showing. Your actions are different and your feelings are different. It's because the situation wants that, and that is why you are doing that. In the past, you have the Hermit, the Three of Pentacles in reverse, the King of Pentacles in reverse. In the past, you have analyzed a lot of, so this is your energy, Virgos, Hermit. So you have analyzed a lot of things in life, that why the things happened and what now the situation is wanting. You worked on that thing, you thought about that, and because of that only you have come up in this situation, in this mode of the reality. In present we have Five of Wands, the Judgment, and Eight of Cups in reverse. A lot of fights, arguments might be going on, but you are calm. You have to see things in both the direction. If somebody is fighting, you do not have to put your leg also in that fight. So that is why you are trying to make things calm. You are not getting involved in that thing, but you are not able to get out of that thing as well. Okay, so you are stuck somewhere, I feel. In the coming future, we have King of Cups, Nine of Wands in reverse, and the Tower. So definitely the endings are here. The endings which you are wanting, and you are actually working on that. See, the King of Cups is so calm. He's calmly sitting over there so beautifully. So it looks to me like, the way you were feeling like this, like you are in the middle of something, in a situation where you are blocked, but now you are pulling your guards up and you are walking from that thing in the coming future, because you wanted this and you are doing that thing. Okay, let's clarify now. Virgos, Five of Cups in reverse. Why the Five of Cups is in reverse for my Virgos? We have Three of Swords, we have Six of Wands in reverse, and we have the Emperor. Because of these fights and arguments, you feel lost. You feel that you have lost everything and you are the loser. Sometimes you feel like that because you want to take a decision but you are not able to. Not only a decision, you want to put your opinion somewhere, or you want to tell that whatever you all are doing or whatever is going on in front of you is wrong, because you have analyzed that, but you are not able to do that because no one listens to anyone in this life, you know, everyone wants to be heard, but nobody wants to listen in this place. And this is what is happening with you. You know the exact scenario, what is happening. You want to talk, you want to say a lot of stuff, but you are not able to. Tell me more about the Three of Pentacles in the past, emojis. Three of Pentacles. We have the Tower, we have Seven of Cups in reverse, and the Chariot in reverse. See, when things stop working, when things stop to make feel like, you know, things are not working, you want them to work, but it happened in the past only. It stopped to work. You wanted to put effort, but because nothing happened anytime, you stop that as well. Because you know that the more effort you will put in the things, it will come, like nothing will come out of that thing. You are putting effort in a marriage, you are putting effort in a situation, you are putting effort in a project, in job, but nobody is even looking at you. Nobody is even valuing. Nobody is even, you know, thinking that okay, my Virgo is doing stuff. No one is even looking at that, what efforts you are putting in that thing. It slowed your progress. It made you feel unvalued. It made you feel to end the circumstances, end the situation. You wanted it because you don't feel anything in that situation anymore. King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles in reverse, please. We have Two of Wands in reverse. We have Seven of Swords. We have Queen of Swords in reverse. See, this Queen of Swords, she speaks rudely, but when it comes in this way, she feels like the more she wants to say a lot of things again, but I feel that you are not able to. You were not able to speak the things what you wanted to. Yeah, this is what it is coming. Tell me more about the Judgment in present. Four of Cups, Page of Wands in reverse, and Four of Wands. It could be many people involved in this thing. You know, it could be a marriage. It could be people who are involved in a marriage, like in-laws and everyone. It's like, so nobody's accepting you the way you are. Nobody is trying to value. Nobody is accepting that you are also a part of the family, that you are also there. It could be a job, it could be anything, but it's the acceptance which you want. At least accept me, or at least accept the situation. But it's like nothing is working for you, Virgos. Eight of Cups in reverse. Why it is here? We have Eight of Wands in reverse. We have Five of Cups in reverse. We have Eight of Pentacles in reverse. See, everything is in reverse, especially the 8 is here. It's a lot of Saturn energies which are coming. So you might be dealing with something like Saturn return, or you might be dealing with something, a really heavy Saturn in your chart. So yeah, things are not working the way. You are putting effort, but they are not working at all. Not at all. Slowness is there. You know, things are becoming like delaying is happening. Delays and delays and delays in whatever situation you are. You want everything to work for you, but nothing is working. Nine of Wands in reverse in the future. Five of Pentacles in reverse. Nine of Wands again, okay, and the Five of Swords. See, you are surrounded by some people who are really not at all good. This is more like a situation where many people are involved, and when many people's energy is involved in the situation, you know, everyone's energy, it counts. And when a small thing is there, it becomes really big when many people's energy gets involved. If you are thinking to, if you are waiting for the situations to end by themselves, it does not happen like that. Sometimes you have to make it happen. Okay, Virgos, because the Tower energy is here. Let me see. Endings are there, but sometimes when we feel like universe, okay, please end it, but it doesn't end by the universe, because universe is wanting you to end this thing yourself. Okay, so we have 10 of Pentacles in reverse, the Hanged Man, and King of Wands. See, definitely this is a bad thing which has to end. Whatever this thing is, you are just hanging over there, you are just looking at every situation, but exactly you have to be the one who has to end it. Take a step forward. Okay, Virgos, that is what is required. Do not sit back over there. So that is all from my side, my dear Virgos. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.